大家好, this is Teacher CJ, or you can call me Li Lao Shi. Happy to see you all. Today, we'll be talking about the confusing and liang, which is translated in English as two or second. I will give you a summary and easy tips for you to remember on how to use it. So, let's go. So, when to use and liang? Okay, that is also my question before. Now, I'm happy to share with you on the tips for you to remember it easily. Okay, so for the first one, for the let's go for the the two usage. So we use two in counting numbers from 1 to 199. We use 2, sure 20. Then 120 ipai sure up to 199. And the next usage will be answering the question of what followed by a noun. So if the sentence is answerable by what, then you use For example, what floor? What floor do you live? So your answer will be low, or what's your seat number? A. And then another example, what honor or what place? So T, meaning second honor or second placer. And then for the month, what month? We use ye. Okay? So these are the samples. And for the last one, is used as the exact English equivalent of second in Chinese. Okay, so when you use the word English, the second one, that's the time you will use So just remember, when you're already using the English word second one, second part, then it automatically translates that you will need to use So, for example, the second one, the second part, one. Okay, so that's the three that you can remember, huh? Three usages. And now we go to the liang. For the liang, let's see, the first usage is counting numbers. No? For counting numbers, 2 cents exemption. No? For the 2 cents, we use liang mao. Only in 2 cents that we use liang. Because for liang, we use it mostly from 200 up. So liang pai, ishang. We use 200. We use liang pai, and then 2,000 liang qian, 20,000 liang wan, so on and so forth. And then second is the liang is answerable with the question of how many measure words. Okay, I will discuss the how many first for the measure words. Like how many pair of socks? So 2双袜子. How many slices of apple? 2片水果. How many sets of dress? 2套衣服. How many pieces of bread? 2个面包. So anytime that you hear that the statement is answerable by how many measure word, then we use liang. And then there's one exemption. What time? If it's 2 o'clock, we don't use only in this one. For the exemption of what, as we discussed a while ago, what followed by a noun, it should be But only for the time, when we ask the time, what time is it, and it's 2 p.m., we don't say 2点钟, we say 2点钟. Okay, so these are the simplest explanation. And then the last one, I will be giving you an interactive exercises at the description of this video. So kindly click this and share it to your friends if you find this video helpful. And for more tutorial videos of LJC Language Translation Services, please click subscribe. Thank you for listening and God bless. 谢谢你们，再见。